guys, what the fuck is up? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a hot minute since I've recorded. I've missed it. I really have. I've been in between areas that I can record, and right now I am currently standing at my window in our bedroom because this is the best place to do it. My makeup's here, the lighting's really good, and it's not a terrible background. It's just our bed. Who knew they could choke on their own spit so bad? I'm a hot mess today. Anyways, I am, as you can see, making a no makeup video, 5 minutes. It's quick, it's no makeup, so you look natural and not so like dead, when sometimes you just need to not look tired and whatever, but you don't want to make a glammy look and like a cakey look. You just want something that looks natural. So I'm gonna attempt to do that for you today and hope that it does stay within that 5-minute parameter, because it can sometimes not. Let's see what happens with that. I do have a similar video that is a 5-minute challenge of me putting on what I normally do for makeup within 5 minutes, which is like an everyday look. So this is kind of similar to that, but this is a step-by-step on 5 minutes worth of makeup that makes it not look like you're really wearing makeup. I'm gonna remove this and we're gonna get started. I will be right back. All right, everything's removed and we're ready to go. But first things first, I just want to remind you that when I hit 100 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway for some free makeup. And I have never shown what I was giving away just because I was trying to build up that Shazam? I don't know. Fucking woo! I just wanted to kind of show you what are some things I will be giving away. So there is some matte lip gloss by BoxyCharm, a perfume sample by Bang Beauty is a gel eyeliner, but can also be used on your eyebrows because it's brown. Some eyeshadow, a brush, and some lashes. You can't really see them. Jesus fuck. Some lashes as well. That is it so far, but I might be adding to that just over time. By the time I reach the 100 subscribers, you may get more. You never know. You never know. So without further ado, we're gonna get started, and I am going to basically, with a fresh canvas, start with my face. First things first is a lotion down foundation. So just some lotion and some foundation, and making sure you've got some clean hands for your face. Just mush it all together so you get some color, and then just fucking blend her on. Looks weird at first, depending on what you use. This is just for a natural look. I don't normally do the foundation thing. However, with this look, a lot of y'all do. And I am leaving my brows on as is because yeah, babes normally do have eyebrows, or you're gonna put them on regardless. So that is not part of this 5-minute look, because you either got them or you don't, or you're putting them on if you don't. So this helps just give you a little bit of coverage without going like super fucking cakey. We'll let that oxidize and do its thing and set in. The second thing that I use, number 2, is a eyelid primer that's colored. So I just put a little bit on, then I rub it in just to get rid of the veins, because they're usually pretty bad. You can go more professional with this using some brushes, but I'm trying to make it look less professional as possible and just look as natural as possible. Okay, third thing is lashes. So just curl in a little bit. Just using the Kush mascara I've got through Influencer. I'm just putting a little bit on just to have some color on my natural lashes and helps them blend in with the falsies I'll be applying. Just a little bit on the bottom. Number 4, going to be putting some lashes on without eyeliner. Normally I will put eyeliner on my lash line, but I just have just the lashes to put on with some glue, which I will have a video linked above on how to put on false lashes, because a lot of people do ask me how I do it. The do's and don'ts of putting on lashes. So I've just got it here, and I'm going to set it aside, let it dry for about 30 seconds. Let it dry, and just give it some time. While you're doing that, you can be doing other things, which is like face stuff. But unfortunately, my lashes are drying on my face stuff right now, so I'm just going to let that be for now. You can do your hair in the meantime. Whatever fucking works. You can dance around if you want to. Whatever. I guess in the meantime I can show you when I'm in a rush for my eyebrows and I don't want to use my normal gel pot stuff. I normally use this to put on them with a brush. But in the meantime, when it's quick and I want it to be 5 minutes, I just use a pencil or a thingy. This shit is Eyebrow Stylist Definer by L'Oreal, and I just kind of fill in the miscellaneous spots fuck. Fuck. Brush them out, and then it's really quick. It's a 5-minute makeup, no makeup thing. Then I put these babies on very close to my lash line. To make them look as natural as possible, you want to get them as close to your natural lash line as possible, which comes with practice. Pretty. P.S. I'm super excited. I have just purchased the first portion of my very surprise video that will be coming at Halloween. Really makes it real now that I'm actually saying it to you guys and it's gonna happen, but I am making my Halloween costume from scratch, and it is gonna be like a, what's it called? Like a Comic-Con costume, you know? Like a, fuck. I'm really just blanking out right now, but cosplay, that's the word. Cosplay costume. It is going to be like that, and I'm not saying what it is because I don't want to ruin the surprise. But the video is going to go up on my channel on how I did it and my journey to doing it, and I'm really pumped for that. So stay tuned. Okay, next thing I'm doing, so this is pretty much the finished look, just touching it up, giving myself a little bit of on my cheeks. So I'm using the, for step number 5, I think it is, number 5, is contouring a little bit. So using my contour powder, just putting a light amount on there because it is pretty dark and I'm not that dark yet. Ooh, that was a lot. Well, whatever. Blend it out, bitches, blend it out. Basically, just give yourself a little bit of a tan. Whenever I contour, that shit goes in the letter, holy fuck, number 3. So up, down, and down. 3. And take that down the neck if you want. And highlighter. You don't have to put any highlighter on. It does add a little bit of that makeup glammy type look to it. I like it. Works for me. Helps give a little bit of a dewy look. This is the look. So this is 5 minutes, no makeup look. I hope y'all liked it. It's quick. It gives you basically everything that you need to accentuate your beautiful features. Be sure to check out the rest of my social platforms, which I am very active on Instagram, which is makeupby_Sheena K. You can check me out on there, follow me there. I'm going to be posting a lot more looks on that side of my social platform, but otherwise this is the video portion, and I really hope to catch you back all next time. Have a good rest of your day. Bye!